Okay, I think everyone knows when we how to know a good fish, how to know a good fish, like when you go in the market to see a good fish. Like me, I consider like 5 point. Like number one, it's the size. Number two, the smell. Number three, the eyes. Number four, the grill. Number five, the type of fish. This one is a tilapia. We are going to use a tilapia. In Rwanda, we have a lot of tilapia, fresh from our farm. And we cut tilapia into two parts by using a sharp knife because there is some bones. And before cutting, remember in the my mise en place I removing scars, I wash internal part, I clean everything. It's done in my mise en place. Before starting the video, I was doing like a mise en place, washing, removing scars, everything like this one. So after cutting my fish into two parts, we cut 3 lines on two sides to help marination to go inside. So place on plate like this one, and then use a lime or lemon to our marinations. You remember the importance of lime on the fish. It's reduce the smell. Some people they don't like fish smell, but they like fish, and also increase nutrients in the fish. Yeah, it's a lot. So once again, marination depend what you have, and depend the smell or flavor you want to find in your meat. This is the salt. Use a salt, pepper, lemon, like any paprika, fish masala, simambiri like this one. Depend. It depends what you have. That's nice. Getting my fish like this. Some onions, some garlic, some parsley, some celery, anything. And then we add like a soya sauce to change the color, because we're gonna use we're gonna prepare the tilapia. Oh my god, it's really nice. Start smell before cooking. I'm really start. Oh my goodness. Then add some onions, garlic, celery, like this. This is Loiko. If you don't, I know some. It's Loiko. It's most popular sauce ingredient in East Africa. So, but it's type of like it's like a paprika in another place, and then do like this as well. Don't forget soya sauce, just to see it really becomes have a very good color, because we're gonna grill our tilapia. Make it both sides, and oh my god, look at how now it looks when you get in the fire. Very nice. So we wait like 10 minutes for marination. After that, we prepare our fish basket. On a fish basket, already the barbecue was already on. Then place in the fish basket. Then grill. Change side by side. You need to use a barbecue sauce. We make, and behind the scene we made the barbecue sauce. You will need to see. I know everyone knows to make it like tomato sauce. So this is the accompaniment or side dishes of the fish, because we're gonna prepare the French fries and green salad. So this is really preparing the ingredient of the salad. This is tomato, onion, cucumber, and lettuce. And prepare your own salad. Depending on availability of seasonal vegetables. Right now, Rwanda is most organic food, fresh from our farm. Very everywhere you are in Rwanda, you can find fresh vegetables, fresh food. Okay, cut cucumber. Okay. Is anyone preparing the French fries aside or not yet? Okay, not yet. Let's do. After this one, we're gonna prepare French fries aside. Okay. Okay. That's nice. Yeah. This. Oh, let's prepare the garnish. Let's prepare the garnish. The importance of garnish. Hard for you to enjoy the food before eating, because how the foods look like, it's like affect the way your appetite, the way your appetite will be. Okay, that's nice. Can you try at home? Yeah. Try on cucumber the way you do tomato. Try to the cucumber also. It's gonna be very nice. Okay, so this is you remember the salad should be well done. It looks attractive to attract or to stimulate appetite of someone who is going to eat the salad. So. And then at least we will see at the end of the videos when we are presenting and garnishing our food. So this is vegetable salad we aside, but not yet. We will add fine touches when we are preparing the fish. Now that is grating color to increase the color, different colors in our recipe. Yeah. Okay. So now let's prepare French fries. The French fries with the accompaniment of our tilapia. Yeah. Okay. Some people, they don't know how to cut French fries. So let's take this time also to know how you can cut French fries. Yeah. Okay. That's nice. The oil is preheated. We're gonna put down French fries now. In the preheated oil, and then after like 10 minutes, chips will be very nice. Actually, I'm so excited to make our presentation because like our fish is really nice. Very excited. I'm very excited to. After putting the chips in the oil, I'm going back to see my fish on the barbecue. Okay. Oh my goodness. Don't play it. Because it's very bad, you know. Yes, it was very hot, so we turn off the gas, and then after that we turn on. Okay. Very nice. Let's go back to see our fish. And we'll come back to the chips. Oh my goodness. Look at how it looks like. It's very smelling everywhere. Oh my goodness. We are very excited. Oh my goodness. Let's use our barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness. It's really nice. It's really nice. Our objective of Tomato TV Rwanda is to let you know that what you buy, what you can find in a hotel, restaurant, and bar, you can make at home. Very easy to cook everything. It depends on the ingredient you have. You can do it. What I can do, what anyone did at a culinary school and have a diploma or PhD in culinary art, you can do it at home by very easy. So it's a need your passions. So let's come back on French fries is done. French fries done. Let's remove and then we do a presentation. Very, very good. Very good. Done. Let's do presentation. That's a wooden plate. Aha. What do you have in your home? You have wooden plates like mine or not? Okay, use whatever you do. It does not change any taste of your food. Oh my goodness, it's very big, huh? It's very big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. After like 10 minutes, we need to change the gloves, huh? Okay? Bring for me the gloves, another gloves, please. Yes. Oh my goodness. Let's place some lemon. The fine touches of a chef. Home chef. Oh my goodness. This program is showing you how the bar, restaurant, and hotel they do. Look at now my fish. Okay, this is the French fries. Everyone knows how to present a French fries, no problem. Let's put together the fish and French fries on the same time. And then I take a photo. Oh my goodness. Really looks amazing. This one are like people in Rwanda. You can find all the dish or the recipe like this. You can find on $25. It's a lot of money when you have a skills. You know, the fish, we can buy the fish on $5 from the market. 1 kilogram of potatoes from the market, it's like also $1. So $6 you can find all in the ingredient. But however, when you buy from the hotel, it will cost you $50. So you see the difference. You can do it at home. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.